I gotta take the top half of the downpipe off.
So what are you doing to this car?
Changing the muffler bearings. Okay.
So if you're changing the muffler bearings.
With some vibrant rate muffler bearings.
So what's this box here for?
Pure, just one of their. Shit, how do you say it?
Yeah, take your flip flops off. Look at the look at the sweet intakes this thing's got. Look at this sweet intakes this thing's got, bro.
Toby, I can always count on you to show me all the best stuff.
This thing's got the sweet intakes in the game. Look, come on.
Those are beautiful.
Oh yeah. We put them in.
Hey, those intakes look like.
Whoa, who modded it? Who modded it? Who came up with the idea to mod it?
Mod what?
Mod the intakes. Well, we can't have this on camera.
Hey,
This is candid now. It's candid now.
which one?
It's gotta be candid. I mean, well, not candid, but it's gotta be off the. Oh man, he's still following me.
You got like 9 cars left.
Oh geez. Bobby Boucher and Bobby non-Boucher, same location. All right, ready? Is he supposed to do this?
Yeah.
Nah, man.
Screw putting the other wheels with the other tires on. He just need these. These shit is hard.
Damn, man, look perfect. Welcome to Arby's. How may I help you? Would you like to try our new special today? Today we have hard AAA. Nah, my bad. Sorry, sir. I'm still in training. You feel me? Toyo RRs. You feel me? Here at Arby's, we have the meats. You feel me? My boy shouldn't have a problem gripping to the ground anytime. I gotta wipe off my chalk.
Now all you gotta do is put this back on so.
That torque? 706. I believe timing is really low too, so there's still a lot more room for this thing to go.
She a little spicy back there, bro.
Is it spinning back there?
Huh?
Is it spinning?
Yeah, she's spitting. She's spitting bars back there.
It's not bad.
day. Weather's not on our side. I see a little bit of dry spots, but it ain't working.
Wow. Feel that right in your stomach.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Wow.
Gotta go around the bottle.
That sounds amazing.
That sounds good. I can't wait for this thing to come back with a fuel system. This is gonna be insane. This with a fuel system, full E, making like a moderate low 800. It has potential to be in a 9-second car. As long as suspension is dialed in, small little weight reduction, and I'll say it has a 9-second. It could be a 9.9, 9.8 still. That's just like the shop car though. The shop car only made like what? We made 850, 860. And the thing is we had pure 1000, so it's a little bit more lighter. This one definitely hits in a lot harder on the low RPMs compared to the pure 1000s.